A friendship founded on business is better than a business founded on friendship. The growth of a large business is merely a survival of the fittest. If you want to succeed, you should strike out on new paths, rather than travel the worn paths of accepted success. Don't be afraid to give up the good to go for the great. Get rich by taking something common and making it uncommon. I would rather earn 1% off of 100 people's efforts than 100% of my own efforts. The way to make money is to buy when blood is running in the streets. Good management consists in showing average people how to do the work of superior people. I can think of nothing less pleasurable than a life devoted to pleasure. If your only goal is to become rich, you will never achieve it. It was a good thing to let the money be my slave and not make myself a slave to money. The common denominator for success is work. Don't blame the marketing department. The buck stops with the chief executive. I had no ambition to make a fortune. Mere money making has never been my goal. I had the ambition to build. Singleness of purpose is one of the chief essentials for success in life, no matter what may be one's aim. If you want to succeed, you should strike out on new paths, rather than travel the worn paths of accepted success. I always tried to turn every disaster into an opportunity. It is wrong to assume that men of immense wealth are always happy. The most important thing for a young man is to establish a credit, a reputation, character. A man has no right to occupy another man's time unnecessarily.